Hey, welcome everybody. Chapman Street Adventures. Out here on an adventure on Backwater Lake. What's the date today? April 13th today. And gorgeous weather. However, that brings out the fishermen. What we decided to do is we're hiding out in the back of Backwaters. One of my favorite areas here. Don't know what we're going to catch for sure. We're going to catch maybe some northern, some walleyes, hopefully. That would be great, but we'll see what happens and see how many we catch. So stand by. Yep. Step backwards.
Hold it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, really?
Hang on tight.
What body does that some people? He's heavy.
Something.
Or the female for the egg.
No. They lay their eggs really thick. That's great.
Not enough. Cold 60 minutes now from normal. Cutting out this is a revolutionary approach that can get you long-term relief with no downtime. Don't you see kinetics now for a free consultation? 612-254-7123. 612-254-7123. That's 612-254-7123. JP10 has everything for everybody right now. And that's including a VIP flyway trip to this year's IR Country Festival in Austin, Texas. On Saturday, round trip dancing, hotel accommodations, tickets to the festival, and an exclusive backstage meet and greet with country music superstars Walker Hayes. So spruce up your wardrobe at JP10, where everybody can find clothes that fit just right and prices feel good. Then enter for your chance to win at iHeartRadio.com/JP10. JP10 makes everybody count. You ever had one of those days when you just couldn't come up with the right answer? Well, I know one answer that's pretty much solves all problems.
Now back up. Very flattering. The lever. Now do not let go of the line when you stretch and take it off. Move hard. You see the lever on it? Do not let go of the line until I wind down. There you go. Now let up. There you go. And if you snap it, the hook will come off.
had the rain out. Even without the rain out, he had scheduled the bingo game, went through the trouble of setting it up.
There's a
bring
walleye.
his team and the entire traveling party together.
It
The
is.
guy just had so much respect in his
We
program.
had
So,
Norway.
thanks for reminding me about the $100 that I lost on my bingo cards that night.
When they're trying to do something they haven't done all year. Scoring second team run. When you missed by Martin 1-1. 13 games, they've been outscored 12 rips in the second inning. Martin, Santana, Vasquez.
Pull that full.
That's the trio to change that.
Yep.
Just on the inside corner. That was a fast start. Handle the edge. Oh, 2 strikes. Easy crowd here trickling in. Kind of hidden behind the clouds a little bit right now, but a very pleasant temperature. 87. District's low and outside. Hard to believe Thursday was like 40 degrees and fiercely cold rain pounding down and just had a whole different feel. 2-2. One on his shot for the shortstop. Baez. That one right up off the dirt. He throws out. And with one down, I'll take 10 seconds for James to short end by himself. Right here on your right.
102.9 The Wolf is your home for the Twins. Playing baseball and playing everything country.
Oh, I thought you had it.
There was 2. Swung on a lift out. Julian. You know, now all these kind athletes, that's what they do. You could have, when you won your World Series MVP, you could have ended up on Dancing with the Stars. What do you think?
Wasn't going to happen.
No?
David Letterman was as far as I got. That was enough.
Pitch low, 1 and 2. You'd rather dance to the Paul Schaefer Orchestra than dance with the pros. All right.
Yeah, the backup between.
There was that one the Behringer Boogie video that was in infamy. The 1-2 with that low. Danny always says, you know, we teased him for negotiating everything, but Gladden was invited, went out there, looked at the deal, didn't like the terms of the contract financially, because it was the greatest decision he ever made to not be caught dancing on film. 2-2 swung on a miss. He spun a knuckle curve at him, and Julian's down on strikes. The Twins add to their lead. It's 3-0 Minnesota. And a Christian Vasquez solo homer to left. Right here on your home for Twins baseball.
Save 72% off labor on all siding and door projects at buildersandremodelers.com.
Leo Daniels Jewelry is excited for another season of Twins baseball. Join us in celebrating another big year with 10% off your next order. Just use discount code TWINS at checkout. Make it a gift for that special someone or just for yourself. You deserve it. Find us at
Still like, yeah, still think so.
Off the curve here, swung on a miss by Jeffrey. More of that curveball. Jack Flaherty here, first half to the order.
Ford.
1-2 pitch.
I just dropped that
This
one.
was the fastball at 94, 2-2.
Do you want me to get it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh.
Flaherty stares in for the Giants and Carson Kelly. Both of them originally were Cardinals. 2-2. Swung on a miss.
Don't
Struck
mind
him
me
out.
anymore.
Fastball gets Jeffers. 4th strikeout for Flaherty. Alex Sherlock will bat. Sherlock is 1-2.
Hey, Twins fans, enjoy all you can eat all season at Legends Landing. Legends Landing offers great views of the ball game and the Minneapolis skyline. Plus, enjoy all you can eat ballpark fare with this incredible
I'm not going to worry about
package.
mine.
Find out more at twins.com/Legends
Why?
Landing.
Northern fight,
That is a
fight,
gorgeous
fight.
view. Now, Thursday's line is a pitch wide, and we counted 1 ball and a strike. I think there are some similarities. Very different targets, but the one similarity to America and Target Field is you do get that great downtown skyline that is right up front. The pitch downstairs, 2-0, both downtown ballparks. And you just look right over the wall, and it's like those buildings.
I believe it. You got a
South River one way, and down the right side. Royal comes to the Brewers today. The Brewers fans are really good Baltimore team twice in a row. Double series of runs.
What one?
And as you mentioned, the Orioles have won 95 straight series. Astonished, or gone 95 without a run. That would be one. 95 straight without being swept.
Carl's alongside you, so he stepped back. Watch out.
Over 2-2. Swung on right back up the middle. Over, grabs it. Flips it over to first base. That's a little to be desired on the first. Santana shoots it up. And it's a 1-3 play. You know, when you're 6'9", those comebackers are not easy to get in position for. That one, at the first, he's trying to bounce up high enough right into overs.
Let's get a chopper over the mound with over out there. Maybe better chance the game went through the wicket over the top of his head.
Another consecutive series without being swept. His record is 124. Little comeback right to the mound, picked up by Over. It was a start this time. He started from Leonard. Now Over his last 13. Didn't mean to swing. Just rolled it right to Over, who handled the second strike. What of this was the 42-44 target. That was warm here at Carter. That was like Pete Gray, the one-armed center fielder. He had 124 series without being swept. 06 to 09 Cubs. Oh, give me 150. The 03, let's go to the pitcher's mound. The 05
Smarter mistake. So when you play Twins with the other players in your space, visit healthgames.com for more info. Next time you visit the Twins, stay at the Rockland Hotel, conveniently located across the street from Target Field and connected to all of downtown Rockland via Skyway. This Twins hotel partner offers great rates and beautiful accommodations. And take the elevator home after the game.
This is the Treasure Island Baseball Network. Christian Vasquez, last man out of the dugout as we go to the bottom of the sixth inning in the bottom of the order.
This portion of Twins baseball is brought to you by your select Heartland Chevy dealers. Log on to ChevyDealOnline.com to find a dealer near you.
Kelly's over his last 12. Over delivers and the first pitch down straight down. Counts is 0-1. Runs is a tough to come by for both clubs. Especially earned runs. You know, even in that big 11-5 win for the Twins, look at that unearned runs that in that game. This ball line, caught by Julian, and he keeps the wall up and keeps the ball out of the outfield grass, and Kelly can't believe it. He's now 0 for his last 13 or 12.
Okay.
He hit that ball about as well as he could hit it. Julian timed it beautiful.
A nice approach, stays on that cutter away. Hit it where
and then Eddie McJackson, the strike call. So I don't know, we need to get a
gotta get the net.
contest of some sort.
maybe we can either match up the two photos of them off the ground.
There you go, you got
See
him.
how much space we see between their feet and the surface.
1-2. What's that? Jackson is second. Yesterday, Julian Woods Richardson wrapped up the sixth inning with 14 in a row this time. Marcana was the only one. This ball hit high in the air, left field for Kirilloff. It's got some carry. Green is under it, face of the wall. Green makes the catch. Just a step in front of the bullpen for a deep fly ball. Out number 3. We'll fix our eardrums and take a break. We'll come back after the 7th inning stretch. This is 3-0 on your Home for Good baseball.
Hey, with the Rob and Harry show, just want to say thanks for listening to us every night on the Wolf.
Go Twins!
Boy Grove is here with my wife, Dan. As the voice and now face of the Twins on TV, I'm often on the road covering our game. But my top priority is my family safety back home. That's why my wife and I rely on Plunkett Home Guard year-round
You gotta fight
protection
the fish,
program.
and I gotta back this boat up.
Still ready to roll? You can relax knowing your home is always safeguarded against current pests. Great pest control is never one and done. But with Plunkett, our home is protected year-round, so we will keep in mind.
Hear your home at Plunkett.net and sign up today.
At Target, we're here for the lovely game and all that comes with it. And for you hometown sports fans, we've got everything you need to gear up and get back during Twin season. For the host, we've got the most of everything you need for your backyard baseball barbecue. Brats? Got 'em. Burgers? Check. Peanuts? Popcorn? Say less. However you do game day, we're here for it at Target and Target.com. This is Ryan Jeffers with the Minnesota Twins. When you need an MRI, choose the Raised
Go over and
Radiology,
take that fishing
the
pole.
official medical
They're
imaging,
winding it in.
MRI, and radiology provider of the Minnesota Twins. Raised Radiology provides best-in-class care so we can stay in the game. Raised Radiology goes above and beyond to get you the right answers right away. Go where the pros go.
Okay, now go back up in there. Bring the board.
RaisedRadiology.com to learn more.
Use Target Field for your next big event.
Wine.
Whether for your wedding, business meeting, community gathering, or school event, let Target Field be your home for whatever is next. To book your visit and for more at TargetFieldEvents.com.
trying.
To get kind of keep it that way against 3, 4, and 5. Torkelson, Carpenter, and Holt.
I can't see it.
I need you to hold this. Set the pole down, just hold that.
Leave him in the water.
They're giving away Dan Dickerson bobble coming up here. Dan is off to our right. Fine radio voice of the Tigers.
Leave him in the water there.
Television of late as well. And even yesterday, now there was a big time TV guy with the talking. He does still talk to us.
Lively never win.
What's yours coming out? Nobody wants to see that head. Nobody. Just Spencer Torkelson. Torkelson, Carpenter, and Keith. First pitch out of the way. There have to be a handful of different thermometers bobbling around.
There was a couple that made their way out there.
Did they look like?
No. I think the worst one was the one that came out of Toronto way back when.
Pitch low and outside 1-1. We have to change it defensively. Austin Martin moves from center to left. Mr. Byron Buxton is now in center. Right. Danny Margot is in right field.
How are we doing over here?
Oh!
One.
Good heavens,
Close defensive and start Indian and Ori.
Believe it or not, he's on foot.
Kirilloff is done. Buxton will hit his spot. Pitch. Taken for a strike. Now square 2-2. Again, just 4 balls down to Houston.
Oh, stop spinning, you alligator.
You or me?
You want to hold it?
No, I don't want to put my fingers in it, but I'll hold it with that thing. I got the sore first to prove that I got it.
A lot of pitches. I guess we would call it a 5-0 as get it back, but to cap it off was a very well struck ball. Martin just couldn't get back to the wall in time.
Out just for his own exercise.
Don't you fight.
And he is out. Pat Bailey on the back. Great job, Bailey over. He's done after 6 and change.
Right.
We'll have ourselves the pitching change brought to you by Eco Lab. Working out the world's biggest challenges.
That
The resources vital for life. So we're actually with Lex coming up next. Right here on your home. Here we go. Bullpen door open. Brock Stewart is in. He faces Terry Carpenter, dangerous left-hander with Torkelson at second base. The bullpen has been outstanding. Stewart has been a really big part of the bullpen.
What?
Delivered.
You telling me,
Oh, now that's what you call a cluster. You get a snag and you get a 36-inch northern at the same time. She was a big girl. I'm actually surprised she didn't put up a little bit more of a fight. What? That's what you call a cluster. And Most did a great job getting things out of the way and then taking over the fishing pole and while I had to deal with the snag and this rolling motor and the wind. It was fun. Well, we're gonna call that a day after that nice one. Lois says her arms are tired. We caught quite a few nice ones today. We kept 3 for my brother wants to do some pickling. My dad wanted some fresh fish. So we're gonna supply some fish to a couple people and then call it a day. A little bit of what we did is we were fishing flicker shad and shad wraps, blue, or anything with a stripes in it like perch. Didn't really seem to matter what color. We caught several 30-plus fish, and that last one was about 36 inches or so. But we had a great time today, even though it got a little rough, windy rough, especially when we got down on the south end. Now, here's the gig. We're only fishing 35 feet behind the boat. We're only about 5 or 6 feet of water as a general rule, and caught our biggest fish in this one particular area, and we stayed in that area for a while and ended up with this last one. So anyways, thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining us, and hope to talk to you soon with another adventure from Chapman Street.